let's talk about the Garden Press event. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, everybody, and let's talk about the exciting day that we had yesterday down in London. Now, I was kindly invited to the Garden Press event. It's an event where all the major gardening companies come together and showcase all the products and all their new products that they are launching to the world. Because with gardening, there's always new things coming out, always new items, always new seeds, always new varieties, and it's a place for them all to come together and show you the best of what they've got. And wow, did they exceed themselves. And I was absolutely nervous about going because I've never been to one of these events before. I've been to the BBC Gardeners World, where I've been around all the stalls and everything and seeing what people are showcasing, but I've never been to a place where it's just all the companies together showcasing what they do. And just little old me, never think that I'm big on social media or anything like that, but we are growing. We've got 30,000 followers nearly on Facebook. Wow, amazing. But overall about 50,000 across all platforms, and it's absolutely amazing. So I got invited to come down and have a look and see what everybody does. Now, there were so many companies there, absolutely loads, and you don't realise how many companies are intrigued, intertwined with each other, shall I say, and how they all relate to one another. And it's amazing to see which companies are part of one another and seeing what they do. And there were so many seed companies there, absolutely loads. There were like Fothergills, there were Kings, there were Suttons, there were absolutely loads there. And the seeds just blew me away. If you're addicted to seeds, that is the place to go. And I could have just walked away with so many packets of seeds from that event. Absolutely amazing. And I've got a load of seeds, so I'm going to be showing you them over the next few weeks of what we've got and what we're going to be trying this year down at the allotment. And yeah, absolutely amazing. Unwins, I've got a houseplant seed collection which I'll be showing you as well. And wow, absolutely amazing. And it is just like walking into a Christmas shop for me, seeing all the seeds there. And it's good because like I was going up to the stalls and I was like saying, I'm Gardening with Ben, I'm an allotment blogger, I share tips and advice on growing your own produce and growing, how easy it is and what you have to do and the results of it. And yeah, it was absolutely amazing. And then obviously there were plenty of compost stalls showcasing all the different types of varieties of compost and all the big brands with all their garden tools and lawn care. Obviously lawn care is not something that I need because I've not got a lawn, but they were like all the robotic lawn mowers. It was absolutely brilliant seeing all of them. And the amount of products that there are out there, and it's great to put a name to some of the faces as well, because like you see all the brand names but you don't see the people behind them that produce them and sell them. And it was great and magical to see them all, and hopefully we made some great contacts at the press event, and hopefully we'll be able to use some of their products down here at the allotment and showcase what they do and how they use them. And I just can't believe it. And I got to meet some great people as well, because myself, I follow people as well. I follow influencers, garden, social media people, and I get tips and advice from other people. I don't know everything myself, so I look to other people for tips and advice. So it was great to meet them as well, and they were so nice and down to earth. And it's good to talk to like-minded people of what they do and get ideas and tips and advice from them on what to do and how to put it across on social media to other people. So yeah, it was an absolute blast of a day, the best day ever, and I will certainly make sure that I am going to that event every single year because it was the best day ever, and it was definitely worth the trip down to London and spending time down there. So I hope that over the next few weeks you'll be able to see everything that I got. I certainly came away with bagfuls of stuff, so get ready to be bombarded with lots of items and sharing what we're going to be trying this year. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you do drop us a follow to stay up to date with all the items that we're going to be sharing over the next few weeks and months, and hopefully the produce at the end of the year. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.